Mirror test. It will produce a large amount of positive energy. The camera also not getting focusing due to the large amount of positive energy. You can keep this one at your home, at your puja room or prayer room or somewhere. This is very rare item. If you're keeping keep this feather this at home, at your prayer room or somewhere, you will getting a large amount of positive energy. This is around 1 feet length. This type of feather very rare. You can you will get a normal feather from forest area. This is you can see, right, this is very different item. Watch, its eyes are very beautiful. Yes, this is the peacock feather. In this video we will watch peacock feather how to react with the ordinary mirror glass. Mirror is constructed with mercury. The mercury and the peacock feather reaction we will watch in this video. I used just 2 magnets for getting support for this peacock feather, and I placed it on the ground, straight line to our mirror glass. I placed a mirror on the wall. You can see, right, this is the broken glass. The glass and mirror should be in straight line. You can clearly watch, right, this is in straight line. Then we can watch the magical power of peacock feather. Within 2 or 3 minutes it will happen. These experiments will work on only on daytime only. Yes, you can see, right, the glass getting broken. Yes, this is the peacock feather. Look, our glass got pieces. Yes. This is 100% real magic power of peacock feather. This is the peacock feather having more positive energy.